we age, our nutritional needs evolve, and the foods we eat play a critical role in maintaining vitality, supporting immunity, and preventing chronic illnesses. For seniors, choosing the right vegetables can make a significant difference in overall health. While vegetables are generally packed with essential nutrients, not all are suitable for older adults due to digestive challenges, medication interactions, or specific health conditions. Conversely, some vegetables are nutritional powerhouses that seniors should incorporate daily to promote longevity and well-being. This article explores 5 vegetables seniors should avoid and 5 they should enjoy every day for optimal health. 5 vegetables seniors should avoid. While vegetables are a cornerstone of a healthy diet, certain ones can pose challenges for seniors due to their digestive systems, chronic conditions, or medication regimens. Below are 5 vegetables that seniors may need to limit or avoid, along with reasons why they might not be the best choice. 1. Raw cruciferous vegetables, for example, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Raw cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. However, for seniors, these vegetables can be difficult to digest when eaten raw. The high fiber content can lead to bloating, gas, or discomfort, especially for those with sensitive stomachs or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables contain goitrogens, compounds that may interfere with thyroid function in individuals with hypothyroidism, a condition more common in older adults. Why avoid? Raw cruciferous vegetables can strain digestion and may exacerbate thyroid issues. Seniors with these concerns should opt for cooked versions, which are easier to digest and reduce goitrogen content. Alternative: lightly steamed broccoli or cauliflower retains nutrients while being gentler on the stomach. 2. Corn. Corn is a starchy vegetable often mistaken for a nutrient-dense option. While it provides some fiber and carbohydrates, it is high in sugar and low in essential vitamins and minerals compared to other vegetables. For seniors managing blood sugar levels or diabetes, corn's high glycemic index can cause rapid spikes in blood glucose. Additionally, corn's tough outer skin can be hard to chew and digest, posing a risk for those with dental issues or weakened digestive systems. Why avoid? Corn's high sugar content and low nutrient density make it less ideal for seniors, especially those with diabetes or chewing difficulties. Alternative: swap corn for nutrient-rich low-glycemic vegetables like zucchini or green beans. 3. Raw bell peppers. Bell peppers are vibrant and rich in vitamin C, but their tough skin and high fiber content can be problematic for seniors when eaten raw. For those with dentures, weakened teeth, or digestive issues, raw bell peppers can be hard to chew and may cause stomach upset. Additionally, some seniors may experience acid reflux or heartburn from consuming bell peppers, particularly spicy or green varieties, due to their natural compounds. Why avoid? Raw bell peppers can be tough to chew and digest, potentially causing discomfort or exacerbating reflux. Alternative: roasted or cooked bell peppers are softer, easier to digest, and often sweeter, making them a better choice. 4. Eggplant. Eggplant is a versatile vegetable, but it belongs to the nightshade family, which also includes tomatoes and potatoes. Nightshades contain solanine, a compound that may aggravate joint pain or inflammation in some seniors, particularly those with arthritis. Eggplant is also relatively low in nutrients compared to other vegetables and requires careful preparation to avoid absorbing excess oil, which can be problematic for seniors managing heart health. Why avoid? Eggplant's potential to worsen arthritis symptoms and its lower nutrient profile make it less ideal for seniors. Alternative: opt for nutrient-dense vegetables like spinach or kale, which support joint health and overall wellness. 5. Raw sprouts. For example, alfalfa, mung bean raw sprouts, such as alfalfa or mung bean sprouts, are often touted for their nutrient density. However, they are a high-risk food for seniors due to their susceptibility to bacterial contamination, including E. coli and Salmonella. Older adults have weaker immune systems, making them more vulnerable to foodborne illnesses. Additionally, raw sprouts can be difficult to chew and digest for those with dental or gastrointestinal issues. Why avoid? Raw sprouts pose a risk of foodborne illness and may be hard to chew or digest. Alternative. Cooked mung beans or other legumes provide similar nutrients without the contamination risk. 5 vegetables seniors should eat. Every day, incorporating nutrient-dense, easy-to-digest vegetables into a daily diet can significantly enhance seniors' health. The following 5 vegetables are packed with essential nutrients, support digestion, and promote overall well-being, making them must-haves for older adults. 1. Spinach. Spinach is a nutritional superstar for seniors, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, magnesium, and iron. Its high antioxidant content helps combat oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Spinach is also rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, compounds that support eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common concern for seniors. Its soft texture when cooked makes it easy to chew and digest. Why eat daily? Spinach supports eye health, boosts immunity, and promotes heart health. Its versatility allows it to be added to smoothies, soups, or sautés. How to enjoy? Add a handful of spinach to a morning smoothie, toss it into a salad, or sauté it with garlic for a nutrient-packed side dish. 2. Carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, supporting vision, skin health, and immune function. They're also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. For seniors, carrots are particularly beneficial because they can be eaten cooked or raw, if chewing isn't an issue, and their natural sweetness makes them palatable. Cooked carrots are softer and easier to digest, making them ideal for those with dental challenges. Why eat daily? Carrots promote eye health, support digestion, and provide antioxidants to fight inflammation. How to enjoy? Steam carrots as a side dish, blend them into a soup, or snack on baby carrots with hummus. 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense, low-glycemic alternative to regular potatoes. They're rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, and potassium, which support heart health, digestion, and immune function. For seniors, sweet potatoes are particularly valuable because they provide sustained energy without causing sharp blood sugar spikes. Their soft texture when cooked makes them easy to chew and digest, even for those with dental issues. Why eat daily? Sweet potatoes provide sustained energy, support heart health, and are easy to digest. How to enjoy? Bake a sweet potato and top it with a dollop of Greek yogurt, or mash it as a side dish. 4. Zucchini. Zucchini is a low-calorie, hydrating vegetable that's gentle on the digestive system. It's rich in vitamin C and B6, as well as potassium, which supports heart health and muscle function. Zucchini's mild flavor and soft texture when cooked make it an excellent choice for seniors, especially those with sensitive stomachs or chewing difficulties. It's also versatile, fitting into a variety of dishes without overwhelming the palate. Why eat daily? Zucchini is hydrating, easy to digest, and supports heart and immune health. How to enjoy? Spiralize zucchini into noodles, grill it as a side dish, or add it to soups and stews. 5. Beets. Beets are a vibrant, nutrient-packed vegetable that seniors should embrace daily. They're rich in folate, manganese, and nitrates, which improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Key benefits for heart health. Beets also contain beta-lanes, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. For seniors, beets are easy to digest when cooked and provide a natural sweetness that enhances meals. Why eat daily? Beets support heart health, reduce inflammation, and provide essential nutrients. How to enjoy? Roast beets and add them to salads, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a side dish with a drizzle of olive oil. Practical tips for seniors. To make the most of these vegetable choices, seniors should consider the following tips. Cook for easier digestion. Steaming, roasting, or lightly sautéing vegetables can make them easier to chew and digest while preserving nutrients. Watch for medication interactions. Some vegetables, like spinach, are high in vitamin K, which can interact with blood thinners like warfarin. Consult a doctor to ensure dietary choices align with medications. Incorporate variety. Rotate the recommended vegetables to ensure a broad spectrum of nutrients and prevent dietary boredom. Portion control. Seniors may benefit from smaller, more frequent meals to avoid digestive discomfort. Aim for 2-3 servings of vegetables per day, spread across meals. Stay hydrated. Pair vegetables with adequate water intake to support digestion and nutrient absorption. Conclusion. For seniors, choosing the right vegetables is a powerful way to support health and vitality. By avoiding vegetables that may cause digestive issues, exacerbate chronic conditions, or pose safety risks, like raw cruciferous vegetables, corn, raw bell peppers, eggplant, and raw sprouts, seniors can protect their well-being. Instead, incorporating nutrient-dense, easy-to-digest options like spinach, carrots, sweet potatoes, zucchini, and beets into daily meals can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. With mindful preparation and variety, these vegetables can help seniors maintain energy, support heart and immune health, and age gracefully. Always consult a healthcare provider or dietitian to tailor dietary choices to individual health needs, ensuring a balanced and enjoyable approach to nutrition